So find the expression for y prime for the following. Sine pi minus x plus y squared cos x is equal to y. So what we first do is derive the first one, so sine. So as you can see here, the derivative, we first derive the outside, which is the derivative of sine is cos, and then we derive what is inside. So since pi is a constant, then what we derive is negative x. Don't forget the negative. So it would be negative 1. Then for our second one, we use the product rule. So as we all learned, the product rule is first, then the derivative of the second, which is cos, and its derivative is negative sine x, times its inside, which is 1, so let's just write it as is. And then second, which is the cos x, then the derivative of 2y, which is, since we are looking for the y prime, every time we derive y, we put the y prime. And don't forget the last y, so since we are looking for y. Now, after this, we combine the terms. So it would become, since negative is here, we multiply to cos. So it would become negative cos pi minus x. And then we also combine them here, which would become, since this is a positive and a negative, don't forget that we multiply what is out here. So it would become minus y squared sine x, as you can see here. Then combine the two of them, which would become plus 2y cos x y prime is equal to y prime. Now, this is a step where we put like terms together. So we put the ones with the y primes here and the ones without here on the other side. It would be easier. You can also transpose this 2y to the other side, but it would be more convenient just to put this inside here. So what we get is 2y cos xy prime minus y prime, as I said. And then for the other side, the ones without the y prime, which is cos pi minus x and plus y squared sine x. So since we are asking for the y primes and we have a common here, we put it outside. So here it is. Our y prime is taken out. So the y primes here would also be taken out. It would proceed to be the 2y cos x. And if you take y prime off here, it would just become 1. Now since we got our function, to get the y prime, we need to divide it by the one here, which is 2y cos x minus 1. So we divide it from both sides to cancel them out, which leaves us with our final answer, which is y prime is equal to cos pi minus x plus y squared sine x over 2y cos x minus 1.